I had had some root canals on my back teeth years and years ago, and they just finally broke off and didn't work, and I had to have the roots and everything pulled, so I had no back teeth whatsoever. It was very hard to eat anything, and what teeth I had in the back, it was kind of painful to eat. So I did most of my chewing right here in the front, so it was difficult to eat. I couldn't eat very much at all. So I found Dr. Tabor. He was recommended by another client of his, and I came to see Dr. Tabor.
When Stephanie came to our office, she was at a position in her dental life where she was really confused. She didn't know what to do. She really thought that she needed to take all her teeth out, maybe go into dentures or something like that. And so through a series of appointments and a series of conversations, we walked her through that process of what her options were.
I asked Dr. Tabor, would implants and veneers be best, or would it be best to pull the teeth that I had left and get fixed dentures? And Dr. Tabor said no, that my remaining teeth were in perfect shape and that veneers would be the way to go. We should not pull any more teeth.
Her bone structure around the teeth was really healthy. It was just the teeth were worn down. And so we were able to use a combination approach where we replaced the missing teeth with implants. And then we also restored her teeth with porcelain, some veneers, and some crowns, but it really kind of put her teeth back to the place they needed to be. And so what it allowed us to do is kind of realign her bite and then give her teeth the shape, the contour, and the look that she's always wanted.
The teeth that they make, it's just goes beyond anything I ever thought anybody could do. I always thought, yeah, I'm gonna get this done because I have to, because I can't eat, and they're just gonna look fake. And when I saw these teeth, I can't stop smiling. They have given me the most beautiful smile. And as a matter of fact, since I have gotten these teeth, I have gotten engaged. And my fiance said the first thing he noticed about me was my smile, and he's always telling me I have such beautiful teeth, and I can only thank Dr. Tabor and his team for that.